Hi, welcome to the CDOCS tip of the day. Today we're going to talk about the Katana blocks. Now these are very popular zirconia blocks. It's a high translucency zirconia that can be used really anywhere in the mouth and has become very popular with CEREC users. Now there's two different size blocks that Katana makes. It's the 12Z and the 14Z Katana block. These blocks have 4 layers. They're multi-layered blocks. There's a 35% body layer, which is dentin. There are two 15% transitional layers, and then there's a 35% enamel layer. So by positioning the restoration within that block, you are able to adjust the shade, the aesthetics, the translucency of the restoration. Now, how do you choose which block that you're going to use? Between the 12Z and the 14Z block, there's a 2 millimeter difference in height. Now, as I mentioned, because you can shift your restoration within this block, the difference in height helps to give you a little bit more translucency and a little bit more adjustment and flexibility in the 14Z block. Most restorations will easily fit in the 12Z block. However, when you want that extra flexibility to position the restoration, to have more freedom to develop your own translucency, you can use the 14Z block. So these are milled in the prime mill, they can be milled quickly, and they can be sintered in the Speedfire oven. Again, the Katana blocks from Carrare, and they are available in the 12Z and the 14Z size with a 2 millimeter difference in size. We'll see you next time on the tip of the day.